Engineering excellence has its imprint on the many awe-inspiring advances around the world. It touches our lives at every place we can think of and makes it so much more convenient. How human excellence has pushed boundaries can be best seen through the engineering prism than anywhere else. And these engineering marvels are made largely possible thanks to the use of a special kind of material, construction aggregates. The blue metal in its crude form is extracted from stone quarry. Blasted rock needs to be crushed till it gets shaped into the designed aggregate size. Blue metal in its industrially usable form is then obtained through commutation process. Propel Industries Private Limited, a state-of-the-art engineering entity engaged in manufacturing and supplying construction equipments for infrastructure projects across the country, makes optimal use of the blue metal thanks to its cutting-edge crushing and screening equipments to deliver quality products for its customers. Propel Industries is a part of the AV Group, which has been at the forefront of the industry for over 5 decades.
We are a 5-decade-old group manufacturing high-precision, high-quality products to various multinationals. We supply to automobile, power, wind turbine and mining sector. We are bringing the same expertise of past 5 decades to crushing industry. We are supplying plants up to 500 tons per hour for aggregates, manufacturing and plastings and industry.
The AV Group also comprises of Sandfits Foundries Private Limited, Oriental Plants and Equipments Private Limited, Bull Agro Private Limited and Bull Machines Private Limited, amongst others. Propel Industries has carved a niche for itself in a short span of time. It was established post an exhaustive assessment backed by extensive research and development to cater to the needs of the construction and mining equipment industries. The advancements in technology were taken into account to ensure Propel stays ahead of the competition. What makes Propel Industries the linchpin of the AV Group is it being the group's main driver of growth. Propel draws its core strength from the group's state-of-the-art machining facilities and a wealth of experience. Conceived to be a company committed to make a difference to the world of construction and mining, Propel believes in breaking the status quo in every aspect, from absorbing and fully comprehending the market dynamics to developing the right product solutions to deliver high-quality performance. Unwavering focus on research and development in products, processes and quality initiatives. Leveraging professional expertise across the organization to enhance performance. Ensuring prompt delivery backed by robust and proactive after-sales support. Consistently innovating and improvising processes to achieve sustainable long-term growth. Located in the industrial city of Coimbatore, Propel Industries prides itself on its world-class manufacturing unit equipped with an in-house foundry, latest CNC machines and coordinate measuring machines. Giving Propel the edge is our well-qualified team of engineers and technicians. Our expansive plants and facilities enable us to deliver on the most demanding of tasks in an optimally efficient way. This has resulted in Propel Industries earning an ISO 9001 2008 certification. Propel provides its employees with more than adequate facilities, a pleasing work environment, backed with the essential needs, is the standard norm of all its manufacturing units. The holistic development and well-being of our staff is ensured through skill development programs, employee engagement activities, and also through health camps and medical camps. Propel's range of products are designed to international quality standards to deliver exceptional performance, a host of advanced features being the highlight. Propel R&D Center helps in development of new products, upgradation of existing products, developing specialized and customized products for Indian and international markets, and constantly improving manufacturing processes. Each product is put through rigorous testing before it gets delivered to the customer for rugged usage. The quality department conducts comprehensive range of testing procedures and measures all aspects of machine performance such as structural design, material science, electronic and hydraulic efficiency, cooling, vibration, and noise control. These ensure that only quality products reach our customers. Propel's extensive product range includes jaw crusher, cone crusher, vertical shaft impactor, vibrating screen, grizzly feeder, sand washer with dewatering screen. Bolstering our product portfolio are our new products: Eco Wash, Pro Wash, Dune Pro Screen, Pro Air Classifier. Some of the special features of these machines are highest crushing efficiency, performance and reliability, results at the lowest operating costs, lowest wear costs, the best possible cubicle final product, lowest power consumption, highest return on investment per ton, robust and smart design with good access for maintenance, replacing parts, manufactured using world-class technology. Propel has also received an award for the best M-Sand machine manufacturer in Tamil Nadu. After-sales support network is strategically based across the country as we cater to our customers' business demands, which need quick on-site support. Propel ensures quick delivery of parts and excellent site service. Our well-trained engineers are available at all times to meet your needs and resolve emergency situations. Some of the services provided by Propel are operation and maintenance support, product support, dismantling and re-erection, turnkey solutions, refurbishment and recondition. Propel Care. A mobile service van has been launched. It is equipped with all the necessary tools to meet your emergency service needs.
We are the first CE certified company in India for crushers, and we have started exporting to various countries now. Our machines are performing so well. In many categories, we have set the standards which are becoming the benchmark for the industry.
Through the visionary leadership of our management and the efforts of our workforce, Propel Industries aims to achieve greater heights by continuing to deliver the best for our esteemed clients, both in the Indian and international markets.